Good day, everyone. What I want to show you is something very important. RiskReady OS is not simply another insurance-related platform. It represents a completely different emotional, operational, and psychological business environment. And that difference matters. Traditional insurance is defensive by nature. It protects against something bad happening. But RROS is positioned around growth, visibility, expansion, infrastructure, operational improvement, and revenue opportunity. That creates a major psychological advantage. People are naturally drawn toward growth and opportunity more than fear and protection. Insurance often feels like delayed gratification. RROS feels like momentum. Insurance protects. RROS propels. And that changes how people emotionally respond to the conversation. Insurance conversations often revolve around death, accidents, uncertainty, and worst-case scenarios. RROS conversations revolve around business growth, visibility, positioning, scalability, operational leverage, and expansion. That is emotionally easier for people to engage with. One conversation feels reactive, the other feels proactive, and proactive conversations naturally create lower resistance and higher engagement. Business owners often view insurance as an expense, necessary but still an expense. RROS feels more like an investment. It feels like infrastructure. It feels like leverage. It feels like something designed to improve operations, expand opportunities, and create long-term growth. That changes buying psychology dramatically. One feels like money going out. The other feels like building something bigger. Insurance often addresses future risk. RROS addresses pain that business owners are dealing with right now. Things like inconsistent growth, lead instability, operational weakness, artificial intelligence confusion, lack of infrastructure, feeling unsupported, overwhelm. Those are active frustrations businesses are experiencing today. And when you solve active pain, engagement becomes much easier. Everywhere people look, they see insurance ads, insurance emails, insurance texts, quote comparisons, and save money messaging. That creates fatigue, skepticism, avoidance behavior. RROS enters the market differently. It introduces AI infrastructure, visibility systems, consultant empowerment, automation, operational systems, and growth positioning. That creates curiosity instead of resistance. Innovation naturally opens doors that commoditized industries struggle to open. Insurance frequently becomes transactional. Quote comparisons, carrier comparisons, premium shopping. RROS shifts the conversation toward strategy, infrastructure, operational consulting, growth architecture, positioning, artificial intelligence adoption. That creates higher perceived value, and higher perceived value creates deeper relationships and stronger client retention. Insurance usually focuses on one core conversation: coverage. RROS creates multiple conversation pathways: visibility, branding, authority, lead infrastructure, business readiness, operational systems, consultant growth, expansion positioning. That means RROS creates more value points and more opportunities to engage clients over time. The ecosystem compounds, and that compounding effect becomes extremely powerful. Right now, the market is dominated by AI fear, AI curiosity, AI uncertainty, and automation pressure. Businesses are trying to figure out what is real, what matters, and how to adapt. Insurance is not currently at the center of that conversation. RROS is. Because RROS helps businesses practically understand and implement AI-driven operational infrastructure. That creates timing advantage, relevance, and strategic positioning. RROS is built for the current market environment. People enjoy publicly discussing growth, AI, visibility, scaling, infrastructure, and business systems. People usually avoid publicly discussing death, burial costs, disability, liability, and catastrophic loss. That makes RROS more shareable, more marketable, and more socially engaging. It creates conversations people actually want to have, and that matters tremendously in today's digital visibility economy. This may be the most important point of all. Insurance is often transactional protection. RROS is transformational infrastructure. Insurance typically reacts to problems. RROS helps businesses build toward opportunity. Insurance protects what you already have. RROS helps position businesses for what they are capable of becoming. That creates a completely different emotional sales environment. And honestly, that may be one of the biggest hidden strategic advantages of RiskReady OS.